You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. They have different meanings, different spellings, different pronunciations as well. So make sure you listen carefully. By the way, if you want to learn and clarify more pronunciations, stay tuned. There are more videos for you. The top word here is pronounced striped. It's from the word stripe. You know, zebras have stripes, or some, walls, like paper on the walls have stripes, all right? Or you may have a t-shirt that has stripes, all right? So your t-shirt is striped. That's your top word with only one P. Now, if you have two P's, it's pronounced stripped. It's from the verb strip, all right? So if you strip someone naked, for example, stripped naked, you strip the clothes from somebody, stripped naked. So if you pull the paint off walls, it's stripped, okay? So the two P's is stripped, one P is striped, all right? So top word on your screen is striped. Bottom word pronunciation, stripped, striped, stripped. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.